stock Relaxo. This stock also there have been a lot of request. I know the reason for this. Relaxo was a market favorite in 2014. After that, in 2019 also it participated. Ranking for Relaxo today, earnings rank is 34%. Very bad. That is 66% of companies are better than Relaxo in the market. Why should we go and invest into a company which is so bad? When I say 65% out of 681, it's like 400 companies are there. In spite of that 400, if we are coming to this stock to invest, that means something is seriously wrong in the way we are looking at things. In 400 companies, if we are not able to find one good company or 10 good companies to invest our money, if we come to this kind of companies, pathetic. Price rank is 74.6. That is about 25% of companies are better than Relaxo in the market. 25% itself is about 160 companies. Fairly good number of companies are better than Relaxo in the market. As I said, this was a 2019 favorite. Prior to that, 2014, 15 rally was fantastic in Relaxo. Looks like all of them have already bought chapels. They are not buying more chapels. Sales is down since September 2019. So COVID had no relativity for the stock. It went down far earlier than COVID struck the market. One more problem with the stock is bonus challenge. So with bonus, because when I started talking to a lot of people in the last 1 or 2 months time, I realized that people think that bonus is something very free. They are getting some stock free of cost, and that is a profit for me. No, it's not like that. If you get a bonus, immediately stock price will drop. This is how it is. A company, if it is having 100 crores of capital and they issue a bonus 1:1, immediately capital will become 200 crores. Your earnings, suppose when it was 100 crores, company was earning 10 rupees per share. After bonus, that earnings will come down to 5 rupees. Because of that, stock price also will come down to half. After that, the company has to be making big profit, significant profit to support that new capital. So far, about 80% of companies will fail. After they give bonus, stock will go dud. They are not able to support the new capital. Then it will lose its shine. Very, very few companies shine in this. One among them was Bajaj Finance. In the last 10 years, in spite of bonus split, so many things happened that stock stayed well and gave loads of money to its investors. This Relaxo, I think this is the third bonus they gave. Because of that, they are not able to support the new capital. And profits became stagnant. Profit is not growing. Capital has grown big time. So from here, it will be a struggle for the stock. That is what we think. It can be wrong also. And only retail people are interested in the stock. In spite of this, retail people are buying. Still, stock is silent, keeping quiet. Nothing, no move. Whole 1 year has passed. Stock has gone nowhere. I don't know why we should be invested in these kind of stocks. There are stocks which runs up 100%, 200%, 300% in the same period. If we go behind these kind of stocks, our capital will not grow and time value is lost. 1 year if you lose, if suppose you are making 15% returns, 15% returns in 5 years, you can double your capital. If you put money into these kind of stocks and stay for 1 year, the amount of beating your capital will take and you cannot reach any goals. Buy zone for Relaxo is 545, 615. Fantastic stretch is there. 15 plus 55, around 70 points it can play around. Either it has to come to 545, 615, build strength and go up, or it should break 785. Break of 785, if somebody wants to trade, I don't think there is more steam left in the stock unless they increase their sales dramatically and bring up good profit so that the new capital gets supported and EPS also is good. That doesn't look like it will happen soon. For now, Relaxo should have some movement. Either it comes down or go up. That's why I put this image. It needs movement. So this is our view for thoughts and ideas about Relaxo. It's reluctant, relaxing itself it had a fantastic run. So obviously, when stocks do big runs, they go silent or turn down. That's what happens. And most of the time, people identify stocks after they finish their total runs, and then they go and put money, keeping that previous price as hindsight. It will not come. There is a reason for what stock goes up and stock comes down. We are very clearly we are seeing it here. sales is not there, profit they are struggling. So obviously stock will not go up. At the time when it went up in 2014 and all, it even in 2019 it had like 30% something growth rate. Now it has declined. If somebody wants to invest in this stock, wait for this zone or breakout. There are better stocks in the market. Need not go to this stock. Do your judgment, make your decision, and then buy the stock.